Solano Community College Alternate Media and Access Technology presents an introduction to Kurzweil 3000. Kurzweil 3000 is the program that we use here at Solano Community College to provide digital and audio textbooks. To get started with Kurzweil, when you open the program, this is the window that's going to come up. It's going to ask for your username and password. That would be provided by the alternate media specialist after you have an appointment with them. So I'm going to go ahead and log in, and it's going to open a new window that the textbooks will actually show up in. And there it's ready to go. So the first thing I'm going to do is choose Open from Library. What this does is opens a window that accesses the Solano Community College cloud server. Now on the left side here I see Solano Community College, but you would see your name listed as a student. So I'm going to expand this by clicking the plus button and go into the private folder. And that's where all the books are actually kept. So I'm going to choose this sample file that I've prepared and click Open. And it opens it up right here in my window. So what I see is this big red blinking cursor, and what that means is that it's ready to go. So when I click Read at the very top,
War and poverty are eating away at Grauer's gorillas.
You can see not only does it read it out loud, it also highlights and follows along with you. So that can be very helpful because it engages both your eyes and your ears. Now if I don't like that voice, or maybe it's too fast for me, I have a few tools. Up here under audio options, I can change the words per minute in this first one. So I'm going to change that from 200 to 150. And I can also change the voice if maybe I don't like that. So I'm going to try this one at the bottom. We're going to see what that sounds like.
War and poverty are eating away at Grauer's gorillas.
So as you can see, that slowed it down quite a bit, and it changed the voice to something that I'm more comfortable with. Another really great tool that Kurzweil offers is the highlighter, which is on the left side here. You get several color options, and I'm going to do some sample highlighting real quick here, just kind of randomly. And this can be really helpful if you're doing like a science class where there's a lot of terms that you have to use, or maybe an English class where it's helpful to highlight themes or ideas. And what Kurzweil allows you to do is actually sort all your notes using this. So once I'm done highlighting, I can go to File, Extract, Notes and Highlights. And when I click OK, what Kurzweil does is take everything that I've highlighted and pull it into an outline. So if at the end of a chapter or at the end of a book, I have a bunch of things highlighted and I've been really good about it and I just want to focus on those things, I'm able to do that. Kurzweil will also, if you click in here, read that back as well.
Would you eat a gorilla?
Also helpful in Kurzweil is the reference section. So if I don't know the definition of a word, say I don't know the definition of the word gorilla, what I can do is select it and click on Reference and choose Definition. And what Kurzweil does is it opens up a new window that actually has the dictionary definition in it, and it'll read back that back to you as well if you'd like. And the final thing that I'm going to show in this video is the Write section. So if I click on this tab Write and I choose New Draft, what Kurzweil does is it opens up what's essentially a blank text document just like you would open in Microsoft Word or Google Docs. So I'm able to type in here or paste from Microsoft Word or Google Docs my essay or response or whatever it is I'm working on.
The my essay and it is.
And what I can do is have Kurzweil read that back to me as well.
This is my essay and it is great.
So that can be very helpful when you're writing to hear back what you've written so that it kind of straightens it out in your head. So these are just some of the basic tools that Kurzweil offers. There are a lot more advanced tools that we can go over in later videos, but when you just get started, this is what you're going to need to know. For more instructional videos and additional information on access technology, visit solano.edu/DSP.